Hello guys, welcome to Online Money Hunter, where I teach you guys how to make money online. In today's video, we are still on Catly.io. If you haven't watched that video, rush now and watch this video, Catly.io, where you can get 500 airdrop, okay, free of charge. 500 airdrop free of charge, and this airdrop is legit, okay. I have been trying, I have been doing research, I have been doing all those things to make sure that we are in the right track, okay. So this is the proof that this website or this airdrop is legit and is working. I want you to be part of it. We are going to go to the Catly.io so that you will see everything by yourself. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like this video, and please give me a lovely comment, okay. Thank you. So before we go to that place, I don't know whether you guys have watched this video, this particular video here, that's AppUSD Launchpad, okay. If you haven't done that, rush now and watch this AppUSD. This AppUSD will teach you how you can trade on Launchpad, how you can know the exactly the ready to launch Launchpad, okay. All these coin, this new coin, how you can discover them, how you can trade them, how to make money. We are holding private meeting where we teach you guys how to trade on AppUSD, okay, how you can participate on Launchpad. So I want you to rush now, register, fund your account, chat me up. You will see my WhatsApp link there. Chat me up, then I will take you to our private group where you can learn a lot on how you can trade crypto and how you can make millions using crypto knowledge, okay. This is free of charge. The only thing you need to do is just to use my link to register, fund your account, chat me on WhatsApp, then I'll send you to our group where you can learn all those things free of charge. So welcome back. Let me show you how you can make more money on Catly.io, okay. Let me show you. So we go to our browser. You can use any browser of your choice. Let me make use of Chrome. We go to our Chrome, then we go to Catly. If you haven't registered, all you need to do is just to rush to that description. You will see link to register and you will get your 500 Catly of charge, okay. Then you can stake it and start making money. So let me log in. You click on login. If you haven't registered, just rush to my description. You will see the link to register, and make sure you watch the video, the first video, so that you understand how to register. Registration is very simple and straight, okay. We are going to start where we stopped last time, okay. So I'm going to add more $7 here so that it will keep making money for me. Okay, this is it. So this is my account. As you can see, once I go to this place, this is my wallet. I click on my wallet. You can see I have $21.85. Okay, this is it. $21.85, just 5 days. I invested $10 and I'm making extra $11. Okay, I'm making extra $11 in just 5 days. Okay, what if I invested like $100, $200, $300? Do you know how much that I will be making here every day? Okay, this is the reason why I ask you to follow me step by step. Once I say click, click. If I say pause, pause. Okay, that's how we do it here. So let me recharge more. Okay, let me recharge more. Let me recharge more. What I need to do here is just to click on this particular place. I click on buy. So once I click on buy, the next thing I'm going to do is just to click on this USDT address. That's Web3.0 BNB chain, okay. I click on that, I copy it. Always know that you can use your 500 Catly to stake, okay, if you don't have money. But if you have money, the best thing is to stake more money so that you earn more money, okay. So that's the thing. Let me go to my exchange where I will use to fund this account, okay. After copying the address, okay, let me go which exchange will allow you? Okay, let me use this particular SuperX. SuperX is a good exchange. Okay, you can also register to SuperX. Okay, once you register and done task, you will get ET free of charge. You will get a lot of ET free of charge. So I'm going to teach you how you can register on SuperX, how you can start also trading on SuperX. Okay, this is a good exchange where you can make a lot of money. As you can see here, this is Superstart. Once you click here, you will see some launchpad. Okay, you will see some launchpad. I don't know, network is disturbing. So we are going to make use of SuperX. Okay, SuperX is a good exchange to use. Okay, it's good exchange to use. So let me log in. So I have ET. Once you register using my link in SuperX, you will get up to 17,000 ET. Okay, that's their token. Okay, you will get it, and this is the what you can get this 17,000 token. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. That's $64. So if you register and done the task they will ask you to do there, you will get this 17 ET. Okay, so it was $64. So I want you to do that if you want. If you wish to use this particular exchange, I will drop the link in my description. So let me go straight and withdraw this. Okay, let me click on withdraw. You know how we do it. You paste the address. Remember, it's BEP20. You look for it. BEP20, you click on that, confirm. Then the minimum is 5. Okay, let me withdraw all. I will be getting 7.33. Okay, then I click on withdraw, click on confirm. Verification. So let me get my email. Eight 51395. Okay, can you see that has been submitted successful? So let me view the history. So you can also use this SuperX. It's very simple and straight. You can use the link in my description to register for SuperX. Okay, can you see that? Successful bought Catly 1833. Okay, I click on OK. When others are investing, try to invest. When others are investing, try to invest. It's very simple. Can you see that? So what I'm going to do right now is to go to stake. I click on stake. Can you see that? This is the amount of Catly I get here. So let me stake everything here. 1833.349. Okay. Okay, I have done that already. Can you see that? I don't have any money here. And I'll be getting 3% daily. This is the amount that I'll be getting, 3% daily. So why are you not doing what others are doing? Try and register. Try to invest. Try to make more money. It's very simple. when others are doing, try to follow them. So this is it. I will still come back to show you the results. If I don't get good results here, I don't think I will do this second video. It's because I got a good result. I got good results here. That's why I just want to show you. Okay, that's because I got good results. Can you see that it have increased? Because I increased my balance, it has increased to 29.19 USDT. Okay, this money here, once it's 15 days, I'll come here to withdraw the money. It's very simple. Okay, and if you like, you can stake it till this coin go live. Okay, once they list it in different exchanges, you can make billions, you can make millions. Okay, that's the reason why you need to join our private group chat, where we teach you how to make money early before this coin being listed. Okay, once you get to know everything and do the necessary thing on time before the coin being listed, you will be among those that make the main money there. Okay, all this coin you are seeing, they are ones like this, and once the coin is being listed, those that participate from the beginning will make more than those that participate after the coin have been listed. So I want you to be part of this innovation. I want you to be part of this model, okay, so that you can make more money and enjoy your life. So if you have any question to ask me on the comment below. Ask me on my WhatsApp. My link will be there. Ask me in any of my platform. I will answer you. So thank you for your time. Have a nice day. Bye bye.